at how to make this PowerPoint about Figma. So I'm gonna show you guys how I made this. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Now let's jump to the tutorial. So now first what we need is like image. So let me get my image right here. So let me just copy it, Control C. Jump back here and then just Control V, paste. Then we can push Alt, 9, and then you can just you can go jump in format pictures. For me, I have these shortcuts, so if you want it, go to more commands, go to this, and then press all commands, and then you can get these. Just yeah. Okay. Now let's just jump back to the tutorial. Now you can go to format pictures, press here, go to this here, and what we want to do is pick a blur picture. I'll press the blur one. We'll have to just give it a minute. And then for me, I'll just choose like 24. You guys can choose any amount you want. So it's gonna load. Sometimes it takes a long time. Yep, there we go. We have it. I can just Control C it, copy, and then what you want to do is double click on the layout and press Format Background. Now press Picture or Textural Fill, and now press Clipboard. It might take a long time for me, but for you guys, it might take just a little bit. Yep, there we go. So now we have that. Now what you guys want to do is insert a rectangle. Now just draw it right there. Make sure it's right in the top left. Now just bring it down to right here. Okay, now we got that. Now go to back format shape format. I meant. Now choose this black and choose the shape outline black too. Okay, I guess so let's go to here. The line is this is okay, there we go. So it's all black. Okay, now what you guys wanna do is go to insert, then go shapes, and then insert a square. Yeah, the shape, and then just make it as much as big you want. But I recommend doing. Let's see how much this was. Okay, so we'll go back there, go here, go there. So I want it to be the same as the other one. So you guys can make it as much as you want, but I'll just go with that. Actually, let's just choose that. That's good. So if you want to save, it's right here. So now you can go back to format shape, choose no, or we can choose a white one. Go there and then press here. What you want to do is put 0.75 in here. Let's go with 75 again. Then we'll press this again, and then go to slide background. Okay guys, now we're done with the layout. Now what we need to do is the logo. So for me, I'll just choose Figma logo. If you want this, you can go to my previous tutorial. It's linked to the description below. it this small. Okay. Now what you just want to do is press on the Figma logo or any logo. Now we'll go to animation. We'll press the spin animation. Now that way is good. So it is going this way, clockwise. Now we can just press on. We can press on with previous or on play. I'll choose that. For that, I'll choose 3. And we'll go to animation pane. That double click, and then we'll go to timing. We'll go to until end of slide. There we go. We have the long thing. Now, what we want to do is press on Figma logo, press animation painter, press it on the square. Then it'll do that, but we need something else. Go to animation, press effect option, and press concept clockwise. Now we'll go back on the square and we'll press timing until end of slide. Yep, that's it. Now let's go home. Now we have this cool sliding thing. This is what some people use, but some people does this too. So we'll go to animation, just remove this animation. We'll go here again and check it out. See, some people does mix it like that. This is actually too. That's what some people does, not making the background shake. But that's for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.